it's getting a bit hot, you know. I really need a shower. I really do. Get a shower.
The plan is for the dog to have a shower, because I have a bath twice a year whether I need it or not. Here's our tub. It's going to be filled with water. It's going to live on the roof. It's going to be tilted over so the water gravity fed comes at the bottom. Here's a little adaptation I made from a lid thing. Drilled a hole, used my less than comprehensive plumbing kit to find some doodads. So that screws on there, etc. Then the pipe comes down, and then we'll see what we do with the end of the pipe. No PTFE, so some electrical tape's going to do. I think we're going to whack it around there, because once I get this on the roof and pump the water up to it to be heated by the sun, I don't really want it running out. So these joints are going to be good. Well, I hope so anyway. So the water's been up here all day. Feels warmer than frozen water, to be honest. Right, so it's a little bit windy. The sunlight isn't on the decking, which is a bit of a problem, but let's going to dive in and see. Now, the only thing is, just realised I'm in the all together. Got to be a bit careful. He's screaming. I've got to now get up that ladder in the all together birthday suit to connect the end of there. So let's see. You know, Nad's got a bit of a nasty surprise when I look at the ladder, because I drilled a hole on top of that tank. I drilled a hole on top of the tank for the water hose to go in from the pump to fill it up. And when I tipped it up to join the fin, it came out all over my Nadwacker. But I think here, it seems to be quite successful at the moment. Now I've got to brave it. Get ready, snake shrivel. Here goes. Oh! 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 It's not bad, could be worse. You do get used to it, you know. Oh! Shit! Oh well, just turning the phone off. The worst thing is actually the draft. The water's not too bad. I'll do something about that draft, I think.